Welcome to my channel, Enrich You Textile Knowledge with Textile and Garments. Dyeing of cotton fabric with reactive dye. What are reactive dyes? A dye that is capable of reacting chemically with a substrate to form a covalent dye-substrate linkage is known as reactive dye. Here the dye contains a reactive group, and this reactive group makes a covalent bond with the fiber polymer and acts as an integral part of the fiber. This covalent formed between the dye molecules and the terminal of cellulosic fiber between the dye molecules and the terminal NH group of polyamide on wool fibers. Objectives of reactive dyeing: 1. To provide color. 2. To obliterate the surface. 3. To develop newer designs as per the market requirement. 4. To make it dynamic, the following process. 5. To improve the weathering properties and durability. Reactive dye recipe. Sequestering agent 1 cc per liter. Shade -1%, 3%, O, W, F. NaOH -3 gm, L. Na2CO3 to 5 gm, L. Salt 15 grams per liter, 20 grams per liter. pH 11. Temperature 60 degrees C. Time 30 minutes. Functions of used chemicals. Sequestering agent: it reacts with metal ions, Ca++, Mg++, Fe++, and removes the hardness of water. Shade modifies the color by decreasing its luminosity by the amount specified in the parameter. Sodium hydroxide: it converts the oil into water-soluble fatty acid and soap. Sodium carbonate: it is used to hold the pH in 11. Salt: it acts as a catalyst that accelerates the dyeing action. Working process of reactive dye. After measuring the weight of the fabric, we take dye liquor water. The mixture, which is 60 times greater than the fabric weight, where the amount of dye labor is added, which is calculated by the fabric weight, shade and concentration of the stock solution. We take the overall dyeing process into an aluminium where the fabric is immerged. Then we take a particular amount of sequestering agent, sodium carbonate, and 1/3 of actual salt into the mixer. Then, we added half the amount of alkali and consequently 2 times after 5 and 10 minutes respectively, where the temperature of the mixture was 60 C. After 15 minutes, fabric is taken away for the washing and dyeing successively. Then we measured the material, the weight of the dyed fabric. Schematic diagram of dyeing of cotton fabric with reactive dye. Reactive dye recipe calculation. Fabric weight 6.24 gm. Dye liquor water equals 60 times 6.24 grams equals 374.4 gm. Amount of liquor water equals fabric weight * shade percent concentration of stock solution equals 6.24 1 divided by 0.5 equals 12.264 gm. Weight of water equals 374.4 to 12.264 equals 362.2 gm. Sequestering agent equals 374.4, 1000. NaOH equals 3 times 374.4 divided by 1000 equals 1.1232 gm. Sodium carbonate equals 5 * 374.4 divided by 1000 equals 1.872 gm. Salt equals 15 times 374.4 divided by 1000 equals 5.62 gm. Weight after dyeing equals 5.94 gm. Precautions. Before evaluating the amount of used chemicals, weight measuring MC must remain 0. Overall dyeing action should be done in an aluminum vessel. The amount of used chemicals should be counted consciously. Overall, the dyeing process above the heater must be around 60. Conclusion. Dyeing is a very important process for producing garment products. From this experiment, we can learn how to dye the bleached fabric with reactive dyes. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel to get more textile related videos.